A chainsaw is the most important gadget for cutting wood, pruning, and felling small trees at home. However, finding the right chainsaw is a big task. The qualities of a good chainsaw include durability, the ability to use a little amount of fuel, and ease of use. There are many products available to choose small gas-powered chainsaws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best small gas-powered chainsaws from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEREAL 62cc Gas Chainsaw. One of the best professional chainsaws that come with an advanced safety design and offers exceptional performance. The tool is ideal for home use because of its unique safety feature. There is 0% chance of accidental startup, as to start the engine, you have to press 2 different throttle switches. Safety is further enhanced by a high-quality brake baffle, which will bring the chain to an instant halt in case of any mishap. DEREAL uses the latest engine technology to increase the power and efficiency of the engine. The engine consumes 10% less fuel than the previous model, which in turn also reduces gas emissions. Adding to this, the tool offers the fastest cutting performance, with extreme wear resistance and long service life. So, chains will last longer and will not need to be replaced that often. Moreover, the automatic lubrication technology sprays oil on the bar and chain to reduce wear and increase the service life. Also, DEREAL offers 12-month guarantee on the product. If you face any issue in these 12 months, they will resolve it for you. They have a high-efficiency customer support staff. Pros: double throttle startup feature, advanced safety design, fastest cutting performance, automatic lubrication technology, reduced fuel consumption, 12 months warranty. Cons: noisier than Husqvarna chainsaws, heavy design. Number 2. COOCHEER 62cc Chainsaw. If you are looking for the most economic option on the market, you will find a better one than COOCHEER 62cc gas-powered chainsaw. It is literally the best cheap tool you can find for cutting tree stumps and felling trees. The engine delivers steady power that can reach up to 8,500 RPM, which is beyond impressive for such a low price. This one is an upgraded design that offers higher durability, more power, and also more runtime on the chains. The cutting chains now offer 5 times more service time than previous ones. Adding to this, the compact body is built from a high-strength aluminum magnesium alloy cylinder block that can resist high temperatures and wear. The large double-hole exhaust ensures smooth performance and prevents overheating. The quick-release air filter is not only easier to change and clean, but also extends the filter life by preventing dust and debris from entering through the upgraded surface design. The soft rubber handle design is extremely ergonomic, offering comfort to the users they so desperately need when handling such a powerful tool. Moreover, the product comes with a complete set of accessories which includes 2 replacement chains, 2 sprockets, a guide bar cover, a toolkit, and a carrying bag. Pros: cheapest tool you can find, high power engine, large bar size, high durability, quick release air filter, ergonomic handle design, 2 replacement chains and carrying bag included. Cons: not fully assembled out of box, not as powerful as Husqvarna Rancher. Number 3. PROYAMA 58cc Chainsaw. Ever thought about getting 2 chainsaws for the price of one? Well, we can't offer that. Something similar is certainly possible. PROYAMA 58cc gas-powered chainsaw comes with 2 sets of guide bars and chains included that can be used alternatively as per your requirement. When you are taking out stumps or cutting down whole trees, you can use the large 20-inch bar, and while trimming branches in your lawn, you can switch to the 16-inch bar. The tool is packed with a powerful engine that delivers steady performance for medium to heavy-duty use. You can trim branches, cut trees and firewood, and also do a medium-duty storm cleanup with ease. The purge bulb combined with effortless starting technology allows the engine to start with fewer pulls with less wear on the starting mechanism. The 5-point advanced anti-vibration system makes the tool easy to operate. Also, the magnesium crankshaft case makes it lightweight. So, even beginners will be able to handle this tool pretty easily. Besides guide bars, chains, guide bar covers, carrying bags, and oil mixing bottles, the product also includes a protective helmet, earmuffs, and gloves. So, you get a full set of accessories and protection equipment at such a low price. Pros: steady performance, 2 guide bars included, powerful engine, effortless starting technology, 5-point anti-vibration system, protective gear included. Cons: plastic durability isn't very high, no rubber grip on handles. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN S165. CRAFTSMAN is also a well-renowned brand in the hardware industry. They have some of the most high-powered chainsaws for reasonable prices. CRAFTSMAN S165 is an ideal tool for beginners and homeowners who are looking for medium-duty performance for yard work and storm cleanups. The tool is good enough for felling trees from time to time and offers semi-professional grade performance. The 42cc full-crank 2-cycle engine offers exceptional power with minimum vibration. Low vibration technology reduces the vibrations from the engine, while the low kickback chain cuts through the toughest of woods with ease. To reduce the weight and increase user comfort, the tool incorporates a durable poly chassis design. The poly chassis reduces the weight without compromising the power. With advanced easy start technology, the chainsaw will start in fewer pulls. CRAFTSMAN claims to start in less than 5 pulls, and during our tests, it always started on the second or third pull. One of the most premium features of CRAFTSMAN is definitely the adjustable automatic chain oiler. The auto lubrication technology offers the adjustability to the user, so you can increase or decrease the amount of lubricant that goes onto the chain. Moreover, the tool is ideal for beginners because of its ergonomic handle and 3-point anti-vibration system that offers higher maneuverability and comfort. Pros: exceptional power, 3-point anti-vibration system, ergonomic handle, easy start technology, durable poly chassis design, adjustable automatic chain oiler. Cons: bar cover not included, not for thicker trees. Number 5. Husqvarna 455 Rancher Chainsaw. Husqvarna is, without a doubt, the best gas chainsaw brand in the world. Both homeowners and professionals prefer Husqvarna chainsaws for their beastly power and unmatched performance. The Rancher series of Husqvarna is designed for heavy-duty performance that is ideal for all kinds of use. The high-powered chainsaw will cut through the thickest of woods like slicing through a cake. Husqvarna Rancher 455 is equipped with advanced technological upgrades that raise the power and performance of the tool to its max ability. X-Torque engine technology reduces fuel consumption, allowing for longer runtime. Also, Smart Start technology ensures that the engine starts with fewer pulls. To enhance user comfort, the Rancher 455 incorporates advanced, low-vibration technology which reduces vibration levels in the system. Adding to this, the advanced air injection technology keeps the larger particles of dust and debris from reaching the air filter. Hence, the filter has a longer life, and you will have to change it less often. Also, the quick-release air filter allows for easier cleaning and replacement of the filter. Moreover, the product comes with a bar cover and 2.6 ounces of premix oil included. However, no additional chains or accessories are included with the product. Pros: reduce fuel consumption, low vibration system, air injection technology, easily swappable air filters, chain brake for safety, heavy-duty performance. Cons: a bit expensive, requires tool for chain tensioning. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.